Germany's economy is currently experiencing severe labor shortage. A survey done by Reuters news agency recently showed that 1.8 million jobs in Germany have not been filled because employers cannot find people to fill this job. Newspaper in Germany recently described the current situation as a time bomb which could crash the German economy if the German government doesn't urgently take steps to address this problem. The consensus among employers in Germany is that the government has to address this problem by opening its door for more foreign workers to come and fill job vacancies. In this short video, I'm going to explain to you 3 pathways that you and your family can easily use to migrate to Germany. Germany is regarded as the economic superpower house of Europe. It is the largest economy in Europe. It's a high-income country. It's a country that provides free education and healthcare to all its residents up to university level. So in case you have any doubt why you should consider moving to Germany or watch this video, these are some of the reasons. You do not need to have English language proficiency test to move to Germany. The total cost of applying for German visa and work permit is less than 200 euros. Compare that to the UK, that is peanut. Additionally, if you move to Germany, your children and wife and family members will be able to access first-class public service such as education, health. And also, because Germany is part of the EU countries, you will be able to travel to countries such as Austria, the Netherlands, Belgium, Spain, France, and all the 27 countries that make up the EU countries. These are some of the reasons why you should consider Germany in 2024. In case you are seeing my video for the first time, my name is Francis. I do videos to teach people how to migrate to new countries without them needing to spend money on lawyers or agents. The information that we provide in our videos have been rigorously researched by a team of experts. We do not charge any money to provide this information. The only thing that we charge for is the one-to-one consultation. However, you are not under any obligation to use the one-to-one consultation. The information that I'm giving you now is enough for you to kickstart your migration dream without needing my one-to-one consultation. Therefore, it is in your best interest to consider subscribing to Launch Club Media if you haven't done so. We want to help as many people as possible to achieve their migration dream without them needing to break bank. So follow us on all our social media platforms. Share this video with your loved ones, anyone that you know will benefit. We want to help as many people as possible to achieve their migration dream. If you're watching this video on Facebook, the links that we will not be able to leave links on the description section on Facebook because of Facebook policy. So leave a comment on the comment section. I will email or send the links to you so that you can use those links to kickstart your job search. So I'm going to show you now these pathways, these 3 pathways that I talked about. 2 of the pathways doesn't require you to have a job offer from your home country to move to Germany. One of them requires you to have a job offer. If you move to Germany on that first option, you will be given 2 years work permit to come to Germany. After having the 2 years work permit, at the end of the 2 years work permit, you will get another 3 years work permit. After living in Germany for 5 years, you will qualify to apply for permanent residence. The other option is the German job seeker visa, which allows you to come to Germany and look for a job in 6 months. Once you then find a job, you then be able to move on to a work permit. The last option is internship, happening in Germany next year, where you will be paid to take part in this internship. So now let me show you now how you can kickstart your migration to Germany. If you're seeing value for what you're hearing so far, consider subscribing to Launch Club. We want to help people like you achieve your migration dream without you needing to spend money. Let me show you. So this is the first pathway. So that's the German employment visa. It's just been, the government has just updated it. So this one, this pathway, you can go to Germany on this pathway. You will be given 2 years residence permit in Germany. In order for you to go to Germany on this pathway, you need to have a job offer from your home country. Once you have a job offer for your home country, that will allow you to go to Germany and you will get a work permit. So the employer will give you the document you need for you to go to the German embassy in your home country for you to apply for the work permit to come to Germany. You will initially come to Germany on a temporary visa. Once you arrive in Germany, that is when you will now get your work permit, which is valid for 2 years initially. At the end of the 2 years, the work permit will be renewed for another 3 years. After living in Germany for 5 years, you will qualify to apply for permanent resident in Germany. So this is the first option that you say. So in order for you to come to Germany on this pathway, you must have a job offer. So I will show you a website where you will have to go and check your qualification to make sure your qualification is recognized. I'll leave a link in the description section for you to be able to check to make sure your qualification is recognized. The second option, this one doesn't allow you, you don't need to have a job offer on this one. You just come to Germany and you look for a job in Germany. You come to Germany initially on a 6 month job seekers visa. This job seekers visa is a visa that allows you to come to Germany to search for a job. Once you get a job within that 6 months, you will then be able to apply for a work permit. In order for you to apply for this job seekers visa, 2 things I want you to pay attention to. The first one is you will need to show proof of fund of 1,200 euros to show that you can support yourself whilst you are in Germany. The second thing is that you will need to have 5 years work experience. Now, the 5 years work experience can be in vocation or academic qualification. Say, for instance, you are a plumber. As long as you have proof that you have been doing the job for the past 5 years and you have a certificate which is recognized, then you will be able to apply for this visa. The total cost of applying for this visa is less than 91 euro for you to apply for this. So let me quickly show you now. So as you can see now, it says you need to have at least 1,200 euros in your bank account in order for you to apply for this visa, and you need to make sure that you have a job offer. So there are 2 job seekers visas. There's one for the vocational and there's one for the academic. They are pretty much the same. One is for people that want to come to Germany to look for a job, people that have qualifications like plumbing, electrician, welder, or any trade job. The other one is for someone that went to that did a degree course that want to come to Germany to look for a job. So those are the 2 options for you now. So I just want to quickly show you again. So 6 months you come to Germany to look for a job. Once you find a job in Germany, you will then be able to transfer to a work permit in Germany whilst you're in Germany. Okay, so these are the 2 options. So I'm going to show you something I'm going to leave in the description section for you. This website, I will leave this website in the description section of this video. Why this website is important is that this website is how the German government would accredit your qualification to make sure it is recognized. So if you're telling them I did a plumbing course, or I studied accounting or engineering or whatever course you say you study, you will need to first of all go on this website to convert your qualification to German standard to make sure it is recognized. So this website, I will leave it on the website for you to check. The last option I want to show you, this is very, very important. The last option is an internship in Germany, where you will come to Germany to do an internship and you will be paid whilst you're in Germany. Now, this internship is mainly for people that recently left school or people that are currently in school. The first internship program is the ISSP International Summer Student Program. It says here, welcome to the HZB International Student Program, to be held on the 1st of July to the 23rd of August 2023. Application is now open. This is how you apply for this one. So you go on this website, it says International Summer Student Program. You go on here, you apply for this one, you put your name here, and you put out the deadline to apply for this one is the 31st of December this month. So if you are a student or you're watching this video, you know anyone that you think will benefit from this paid internship in Germany, please share this video with them and tell them to apply, because this very internship program, the deadline, as I said before, is the 31st, which is less than 7 working days from today. So make sure you forward this video to them as soon as possible. I will leave link on the description section for them to apply and read up on this internship. The second internship, I'm trying to make this video very, very short. The second internship program that we have for you guys, let me just quickly show you that one. Okay, this one. So this one is the Summer Student Program 2024. The application deadline for this one is the 31st of January 2024. This is the requirement, okay? They've given you this one. You will need to have, you will be paid. They will give you all the document you need to apply. This one is for people that studied science, like engineering, math, physics, chemistry, robotics science, things like that. Now, if you know anyone who studied those disciplines along that line, please consider sharing this video with them again. This is another paid internship for them to be in Germany, and they'll be paid. This is an opportunity for them to network and meet some of the best brains in the world. Having an internship like this on your CV, it's very, very good, and there's a high chance that if you do well, you may be offered a job at the end of the internship. So this one, if you want to apply, once you check everything, you look at everything, you look at the condition, you go on this page, and this is where you fill on this page to say you want to apply. So I've given you 3 pathways that you can use to migrate to Germany. The first one requires you to have a job offer from your home country, where you'll be given 2 years resident permit to stay in Germany. After 2 years, the resident permit will be renewed for another 3 years. After living in Germany for 5 years, you get permanent resident. The second option is the German job seekers visa, which allows you to move to Germany on a 6 months. The intention of coming to Germany is for you to look for a job. Once you then find a job in Germany, you'll be able to move on to a resident once you have a job offer. You only need to have 5 years work experience and 1,200 euro proof of fund in your bank account. I will leave all the links in the description section for you to have a look on this. And the last one is 2 internship, where you can come to Germany and you'll be paid while you're in Germany. And the deadline for one of them is on the 31st of this month, and the other one is on the 31st of January. So make sure you share this video for everyone. If you're seeing value for what you're watching so far, please consider subscribing to Launch Club Media. In the last 48 hours, we have released internship that the UNESCO, United Nations, is running. It's a paid internship. We released another internship in Switzerland, where you'll be paid up to 3,400 euros. And 2 days ago, we released 2 internships in Canada and America. If you haven't seen those videos, go and see it. This channel is changing life. Consider subscribing to Launch Club Media. Follow us on all our social media platforms. We want to help as many people as possible to fulfill their migration dream. If you're watching this video on Facebook, email me. I will send you the description. Due to Facebook policy, we're not allowed to leave links on our Facebook page. So email me or send me a message on Facebook, and I will share the links with you. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. May God bless you. May God let your migration dream come true in 2024. I will see you soon. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to Launch Club Media. Thank you so much.